Boom! OneKnockTV, you can't find story. OneKnockTV, I who for friend them. What kind of work them do? Them name the dep on the friend list. I who them power with? Me no know. Watching them on OneKnockTV, fully up. You see that site here? Fully booked. Fully up. I read big way in attack. Them I eat their tower man. There man, OneKnockTV. Up.
So big way, how are you doing?
There you know. In a music I go and hold them in a music and I go and do the song them. I try get some song out there for the fans them hear them. You see? So I just that big way I do you know. I just go and get the song them out there some more, you know. I need more airplay and need some more selector for you play the song them. You see it? Because we're fully in song them and connect. Yeah.
So which song you have out now?
Right now I have a thing out named Shell Long Laments. I go on good on the metabatical rhythm, you know, produced by a youth named Governor. Artists as well in the business. Big up Governor anywhere in the world, him stand up right now. Metabatical rhythm are the baddest thing right now. I may have a big bad thing. I go release Soul Pipe, soon drop it, Diamond League, all away the on it. Vibes Cartel, Sean Stamp, all it for people the on it, fully up, song bad pan it, a thing named Them Boy They Gone So. Make a bag of chat can't talk me in my mouth. Yeah, free grounds of them, lick them well, clean.
So have you released this song as that?
No, it's not released yet. Soon, about the next 2 weeks time or 3 weeks time, super put out the whole compilation of the Diamond League, you see it? And me I tell us the song bad, me just want my fans them and the people them straight in the world and now do nothing and now live no freaky life and no poodle life. Just work with that song and give me the strength on it. And I just need the selector them, the disc jockey them, like as well, the radio people them, for just keep big way and strength on that song because it's a good song. And I believe in that song, you see? Yeah.
So apart from that song, do you have anything else in the pipeline?
Yeah man, we have a whole lot more songs come out man. We have a next thing soon drop. Massos I go drop it soon. Massos production. Big up the whole Massos production. Big up Waterhouse. Big up the whole of Masco. You see it. Big up the whole Cockburn Pen. And you done big way and fully up. You see it.
So what are the future projects you have? Do you have an EP coming out or something like that?
Yes, I'm working on the EP soon too. I want to drop the EP like about September. I want it to be good on the song, them I connect and my fans them I listen me and say yes, big way and in you see it. So me I put the song them together for the real EP. Yes, soon, September, August, September, so the EP I got drop. You see it.
So where will that be available?
On iTunes. iTunes the EP I got available and you see it. And I try to see if I can sell it to VP like as well.
So you have any features on that EP?
Yeah. I have a song going to be on the EP with me and Black Rhino. Thing named Fake Friend, you see? Yeah.
Okay. So our fans receiving the song that you have all out already?
Yeah, them I receive them due to the Instagram and Facebook and you know the WhatsApp and you know the Snapchat there, so just go and promote the song them social media wise, you know, artwork, everything for the song I promote likewise on Facebook, social media, you see it fully up.
So do fans receive you in the streets?
Yeah, them receive me man, them upset big win man. I want them idiot yeah, man. You go like man for there. For them wicked girl do the things them pay you know see where Aisha do foot tie. She lick him chip, make him see alien amongst us. Yeah man. So them thing that from the people them hear the voice, them just know say, oh a big win that man. Yeah man, I'm well accepted to the people them, you know, I give thanks to that. I love the people them. I love my little handful of fans that I have out there. I love you know, to my heart I love you know. Cause I show me respect anywhere in the world I go, anywhere in Jamaica I go. The fans them acknowledge, say yeah, a big win that. Mr. Adams, take your foot out of my throat now. I don't know about no gun, I know my one. Officer, I don't know, you know if you beat me say no. When you know the Junior Gang and Bob Marley pitting them something and I shaggy them in a gear metal and I get to youth alone and no beat and pressure you know. Yeah man, so them thing they see. And new slang now, when me I run with no other one year. I who for friend them, what kind of work them do? I who them par with, me no know them name no dep on my friend list. Cause I can't accept everybody on my friend list. So my friend list listed and limited. Very limited.
I know that you have been in the game for a long time, so what are some of the challenges that you have faced?
Well, we face it, you know. Yeah, me no know about no. Me I tell every young artist out there where I do music, and so not gonna do music and turn DJ. It's not a easy road. It will mad you. Cause me see it mad enough, man. You have to can hold it in the music. Don't watch who add now. Don't watch who have the hot song now, cause them can't add forever. And them can't add for last. Forever, ever. People are for hot and cool, and then people hot again, cool, and then one next set of generation hot again and cool. So me not really worry about who hot and who in the business hot and who have hot song. But just know me I put in my part of the work. When we do the song, them people can see me and say, yes, Big Wayne, the song they connect, I like it. Yeah, work you, don't stop work. That give me my motivation for work. So to me I tell every young artist this, don't stop doing what you do. Don't stop. Believe in yourself. Every song you voice, believe in it said can hit. A morning, believe in it said can run and be a hit song. You have to just believe in yourself. Do you, don't do people. Call the years me I do people. Me show people my love. Me give people my heart. Me give some people my soul. Me give some people everything. When I time I find myself, I love people more than I love myself. So I have to start love myself now. So I tell every young artist this is a real big way in attack. Just believe in your work, believe in what you do, living at the studio at daytime, and it will happen. You hear that? Cause now an easy road, rough, sandpaper.
So you have any shows booked for the future?
Yes, man, we book for sure, man. Right now, Labor Day, 23rd, but they have one place named D-Shore, Pedro Beach, St. Mary, and there's somebody there. Labor Day, me, Jamil, Nesbeth, Wally Parties, you see me? Wally Parties are there on the show, the Zamunda, Zaga. So, but just there you go and do the thing, you see me?
So is that the only show you have in the future?
No, man, we have more show. We have Catburn Pen Jamboree in the 2nd of July. Couple show well I come up, man, so you don't know, but that's a rare. See me? What them show them a book for now.
So it's touring like?
Touring. Right now we're not doing a real tour yet. You hear that? And we are work to get the tour. Cause you have to work to get the tour. So you have to put in the work to get the tour. Tour is a must, so we just there put in the work. And so long as the work I do, we have a tour.